Hello, Happy New Year. Hope you've had a lovely Christmas. I'm very sorry that you can't be in school with me today. I'm really missing seeing you and can't wait to see you back here. Now, as you can see, I'm in our new classroom. Have a look at that. Doesn't it look spectacular? We moved all of your boxes. There they are at the back. Over here, we've moved the trampoline. We've got everything that we used to have. We've got the train set and all our toaster and everything that we need. Okay, we've got all those pink boxes, a couple of them still to unpack, but the classroom is here ready and waiting for you to come back, and I can't wait to see you, but we do have to keep you safe. So for now, I'm going to send you a video and we're going to do some maths. Now, it's going to be a slightly different kind of maths, but with some bits that we've done in class before. So I'm going to try and share my screen with you. Now, I haven't done this before, so you're going to have to bear with me if it all goes a little bit wrong, but I'm hoping it will go quite right. So in today's maths lesson, we're going to do magical estimation and counting. Okay, so let's go through it together. So it says how many unicorns? Can't see any unicorns at the moment. And let me click this magic wand and see what happens. It says, first of all, can you explain what an estimation means? Is that a word you've heard before? What do you think it means? Well, I'll let you know. It's a little bit of a guess. It's you trying to judge how many of something there are. Okay, we're going to show you a quick flash of a picture, like I do at school sometimes. I'm going to flash a picture up, and then I'm going to see if you can guess or work out how many unicorns there are. Now, when you are looking at the unicorns, maybe you can see, are they in groups? Will that help you with your estimation? Well, let's see. I'll quickly flash them up and hide them again. Did you see? Do you need to see again? No. Did you see any groups? How many do you think there are? Let's check, shall we? So there were two groups. There are 1, 2, 3 unicorns in this group and 2 unicorns in this group. So altogether, 5 unicorns. Did you get it right? Let's have a look at another one. How many wizards? Now, let's think about it this time. I want you to see if you could describe the groups of the wizards. See, how many groups are there of wizards? First thing I want you to think about is, are there more wizards than there were unicorns, or are there fewer? And then finally, I think I'd like you to estimate how many there are. So first of all, have a quick look. See, how many groups of wizards are there? And do you think there's more wizards than unicorns? So let's have a quick look. Very quick. Oh my goodness. There were quite a lot of wizards there, weren't there? Shall we do it again? So I think there were quite a lot of wizards there. What do you think? Let's have another quick look. Oh, there seemed to be quite a few groups of wizards as well. I think there was a group of wizards here, a group of wizards in the middle, and a group of wizards over here. But I don't know how many there were altogether. Do you think you can have a guess? Shall we have one quick look? And hide. Right, everybody think, how many wizards do you guess there were? What's your estimate? Now, it doesn't matter if you're wrong. It's just about having a bit of a guess. And the more we do this, the better we're going to get at it. So let's have a look. So we've got in this group of wizards, we've got 2 wizards. In the middle group, we've got 3 wizards. And over here, in this group, look, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wizards. So if I add 5 wizards here, And then I've got 3 and 2. Well, I know that 3 and 2 makes 5. So I've got 5 wizards on this side, 5 wizards on that side. And we know that 5 and 5 makes 10. Hope you got it right. Let's see the next one. So how many elves? Now, let's see. I think it's going to get a bit tougher. So we've got to work out now, do we think there are more elves or less elves than wizards? Let's see. And do you think you can estimate what you can help you to estimate the number of the elves here? And then finally, how many elves do you estimate there are? I'm just going to do a quick flash. Are you ready? Are you ready? Here come the woo elves now. Right. Do you think there were more elves than there were wizards? Do you think there are more than 10 elves? Or do you think there are less than 10 elves? What do you think? Did you break it into groups to see if you could help? Let's have one quick flash more and see if you can estimate how many there are. Quick flash. How many groups did you see? Shall we have a look? Have you got a number? Have you worked out how many you think there are there? Let's have a look. We've got 1, 2, 3 elves in this group. And we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 elves in this group. So let's count on. So if I've got 4 elves, I've got 1 more, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oops, what have I done? I've got wrong, haven't I? I've got 4 elves. I'm going to go 5, 6, 7. So all together, let's see if I've got 7. Yay, I got it right. Okay, let's have a look at the next one. How many witches? Quickly look. Now, it's asking, how can you tell me about how the witches are grouped? And would 20 be a good estimate for the number of witches? Why not? And how many witches do you think there are? So we're going to look, see what they're grouped like, and work out if we think there are 20. What do you think? Let's have a quick look. Oh, now, do you think there are 20 there? Why not? Why don't you think there are 20 there? How were they grouped? Let's have a quick look again. I think they were grouped in twos, in pairs. Now, we did lots of counting in twos, didn't we? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Didn't we? We did lots of that last term. I wonder if you can estimate how many there are. One quick final flip. And let's have a look. So we've got 2 here, then 4, then 6. Oh, that helped being able to count in twos, didn't it? Right, I think we're coming towards the end now. Dragons, that'll be exciting. Let's have a look at what it says about the dragons. It says, I can see a dragon on its own here. What can you see? We'll have a look in a minute. Can we see a dragon on its own? Do you think there are a large number of dragons? Why? And how many dragons do you think there are altogether? Should we have a quick look? Oh, okay. So I saw quite a few groups of dragons there, and I did see one on its own. Did you notice there was one on its own over on the left? Right. Do you think it's quite a lot of dragons? There seem to be quite a few groups. Let's see if we can have a quick estimate of how many there are. So I wonder how many were there in each group, and how many groups were there? Write down what your estimate is, or say your estimate out loud. Let's have a look and see how close you were. So, look at this. So we had one on its own. Then we had a pair of dragons here. Then we had a group of 3 dragons and a group of 3 dragons. Now, I'm going to think, because I know that 3 and 3 makes 6. And then I'm going to, And I've just spotted something. I've got a 2 dragon here and a 1 dragon here, so that makes another 3. So if I could count in threes, I'd have 3, 6, 9 dragons. So I think it's 9 dragons altogether. Yes. Oh, I enjoyed that one. I could see a real pattern. Let's have a look at the next one. Now we're going to do problem solving just to finish off. So let's see what it says. It says the 8 witches have lost their wands and their hats. Without counting, can you tell me, just by looking at the pictures, no counting, do you think there are enough wands for each witch? What do you think? Why not? And how do you know? Can you just see from looking at the patterns? You don't need to do counting. Do you think there are enough hats for each witch? Again, try and work it out without doing the counting. Have a little think about why you think you can tell that there aren't enough witches' hats and witches' wands. That was really good. I think you did really well. I'm going to stop sharing my screen now. Come back to me. I really enjoyed that. That was quite good fun. Now we're going to do more work on estimation, and we're going to start looking at estimating bigger numbers next time, because all of those numbers were under 10. And next time we might look at looking at trying to work out how many pencils there are in a box, or how many sweeties in a jar, or things like this. So we're going to work on this either in school, or I'll do another video for you maybe next week. But I hope you enjoyed that. It was lovely to at least talk to you, even if I can't see you. And hopefully I will see you soon. Stay safe and look after yourselves. Bye.